Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. So if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit the like button, and if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. And for today's video, I'm going to be doing a nice drugstore tutorial with all Neutrogena products. Some are some new for me and some are some oldies. So here we go. We're hopping into it, and I'm first going to start off priming my face. After that, I am going to pick up, it's actually an eye brightening concealer, but I'm going to go ahead and use it as my primer and conceal just a little bit for now underneath my eyes. So I'm going to blend it out with my fingers, and then I'm going to set it with their skin clearing mineral powder. Onto the palette. Now these are all shimmer shadows. There's no matte colors in here, so I'm going to go ahead and pick up the first light pale shimmer and add that to the brow bone. Then moving on to the brown shade, I'm going to pick this up with a nice tiny blending brush and a windshield wiper motion, add it to the crease, and then also add it to the outer V. I'm just going to keep adding it until it really intensifies that, and then I did start to kind of blend that out a little bit. Now here I use the pad of my pinky finger for this beautiful like silver gray shimmer color and added that all to my lid. I was really happy with this shade. And then I'm going to pick up the nice plum with a pencil brush, and I'm adding that into the outer third, and then just slightly, like very nicely blending it into the silver color. And then I'm going to pick up a blending brush and blend it out again. Foundation time. Now this is an oldie. I absolutely love this foundation. I've used it for a couple years, I believe. So I like to apply it to my hand first, and then I just pick up, this is my Morphe highlight and contour sponge, and I'll use that to apply the product all over my face and then blend it out, and then we will move on to concealers. The first two concealers that I'm going to use, I've actually used before, and I've used them for years and I love them. This first one here is the Skin Clearing Blemish Concealer, and it has like a light to a medium-ish coverage, but it's really nice and easy to blend out. And then I love this Brightening Eye Perfector. It's like I use it all the time. Sometimes I just use the Brightening Eye Perfector, blend that out, add some powder, and like I'm good to go. Now once that's all blended out, I did grab a new concealer, so I've never used this one before, and I was very impressed. This has a wonderful formula. It goes on so smooth and it blends out just like seamlessly into my skin. So I'm definitely a fan of this one. I can't wait to see what the long wear of it is. Up the skin clearing mineral powder again. I'm going to go ahead and use this to set everything that we just applied. Putting some lip balm on real quick to moisturize and prep these lips for later, and then bronzer and blush. So both of these are new products for me, and I have to say, oh my gosh, this bronzer, I thought maybe it might be a little bit too orangey for my skin tone, but I absolutely love it. I think that it really complements my skin tone, and I'm in love with it. So I just went to town with this bronzer. I went ahead and I put it into my cheekbones, across my hairline on the top, into my temples, you know, get really good in the hair right there. And then of course my jawline. I like to even kind of like bronze a little bit and contour down my neck some, just kind of add some color to me. Then I went ahead and did my lower lip, and then I also contoured my nose. And don't forget to blend that out too. Blush. Now it was funny, this blush, I'm like, oh my god, it kind of looks like my skin tone, but when I applied it, the camera doesn't really show it that well, but it has such a nice shimmer and like glow to it that I can't wait to use it again. It really turned out really pretty. Now this is the gel eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and apply this really nice and tight to my lash line, and I kept it really low. I didn't go too crazy with my eyeliner, and then I just pulled it out a little bit. I didn't go crazy with a big wing or a big tail on the end, just something real tiny. And oh, look at that pop there. And of course, we got to even things out. Hopping back into the palette, I'm picking up that brown shade and just adding it to the gel eyeliner. I find that gel liners kind of transfer to my top lid if I don't set them, so that's what I did. Then I went with the same color and added it to the lower outer third of my eye. Now mascara. Now I absolutely love this wand. It's like super huge compared to my little dinky tiny eyes, but it was okay. I actually didn't end up like poking my eyes and getting mascara everywhere, so that's good. So mascara approved. Now I just have to be extra, so I put eyelashes on, and I don't have Neutrogena brow stuff, so I had to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I'll have those details down below for you. Now time to highlight. So I picked up that beautiful gray shimmer for the inner corner, then the lighter pink shade for the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose. Got my cheekbones really good. I just use my fingers for that. I don't think I've ever used a brush to highlight my face. And then of course, sexy time, the Cupid's bow. You cannot leave this part out. Yes. Getting glossy. And now this gloss is a little bit thicker of a consistency than I like with my glosses, but I really enjoy the pale pink, and I just got to kind of test it out for its long wear, so we shall see. Now shine control. I absolutely love this product, and I've used it for years. So when I'm done with my makeup, I like to tap into it, and then I apply it to my forehead, the inner portions of my cheeks, and my chin, and then voila, we are fluffing those curls, we are mattified, and this is the finished and completed drugstore makeup look using all Neutrogena products. So all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, I hope you guys come back next Monday and join me for another video. Thanks again for watching, and take care.
Right.
Think a bit of who you're changing into.
Are you just thinking out loud? Okay.
He just caught fire.
I'm falling forward.
She won't wear that often. I wear.
And you'll find wrong.
Did you really put your fingers in front of it?
What?
Did you really put your fingers in front of it? Done.